friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the xmondocolor.com reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's know about what this website is basically offering to customers. Guys, from the images one can easily understand that this website especially deals with all kinds of hair colors. Now guys, let's talk some of their best selling products. Here are the images of some of the best products available at huge discounts right now. So you can check those products by visiting their official website. Now guys, let's talk about the payment policy, for which we need to go to the FAQ section. Click on what forms of payment do you accept. We accept online payments from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Afterpay, ShopPay, PayPal Express, Checkout, Google Pay and Apple Pay. Now guys, let's talk about their shipping policy. Let's check into here. Click on do you ship to my country. We currently ship to the United States, Canada and the United Kingdom. Now guys, let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints, but before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make much more informative videos. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Now guys, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this website has been registered on 24th May 2018 and hence this is an old website and not totally reliable but a little bit. Now if you want to know about us page, let's check into it. Click on the about us section. Here we go. The past 10 years of working in the hair color industry has allowed me to experiment with several hair care brands. It quickly became a passion of mine to find the next best line of products that could do more than the previous one. This passion grew into an obsession which later resulted in the creation of Xmondo Hair Color. I have infused everything I love about hair color, innovation, technology, aesthetic, and all-round coolness to create my own epic line of products. Xmondo products are designed by expert hairdressers from different backgrounds from the common consumer to give you salon quality hair with less effort. After all, it's not about the quantity of hair products you use but the quality. Now guys, if you want to know about their contact address, let's check into it. Here's the inquiry section. Click on the FAQ section and check there. Click on the how can I contact Xmondo support. Here's a customer ID, customer service @xmondohair.com. Now guys, let's talk about the social media presence of this website. Here's the 4 accounts of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Now guys, if you want to know about the return and refund policy, check into the FAQ section of the return and refund policy. Click on the return and exchanges. We want you to love your Xmondo products. If you are not completely satisfied with your products, please reach out of our the customer services team at customerservice@xmondohair.com with your name, order number, and the products. Here they mention they accept returns for unopened or lightly used products within 30 days of the original purchase. We do not cover shipping cost for refund items or returned. Original shipping cost or refund will be credited to the original form of payment. Now guys, let's talk about the customer reviews of this website. So guys, this Xmondo hair reviews from a fair amount of positive reviews we found on the basis of the research. On the website, there are hundreds of reviews praising select Xmondo hair products. Most have commented that there was a great change in their hair for the better, leaving their locks smooth, shiny and healthy. There is a general average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. So if you ask about the website content quality is all good, so on the basis of above discussion we can say that it is a genuine product, or we advise you do your own research effectively before investing your time money in such websites, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.